Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting a single keyword and aligning it to your message. This is the core of the Vigenère method. Convert letters to numbers because arithmetic is how shifts work. A equals 0, B equals 1, and so on. Once done, expand or trim the keyword to match plaintext length so every letter has a corresponding key letter. Make sure to decide whether you keep spaces or remove them now, because that choice changes indexing and must remain consistent throughout encryption. Now perform the core operation. For each position, add the numeric value of the plaintext letter to the numeric value of the key letter, then reduce modulo 26. This gives the ciphertext number. Convert it back to a letter. Once done for the full message, reapply casing or spacing rules you chose earlier so the result reads as you intend. Make sure to be consistent with non-letter handling, because a single mismatch will break decryption later. Consistency is to recover the message, reverse the math. Subtract the key number from each ciphertext number, add 26 if needed, then take modulo 26 to stay within a Z. Once done, convert numbers back to letters and restore spacing as your rule dictates. If decryption fails, check the keyword alignment, any removed characters, and whether you use the same a equals 0 mapping. Make sure to test with a short-known sample first. This is the fastest way to spot an off-by-one or alignment problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.